It's okay. Don't come back any further. Oh, got it.
Oh, that car's when his headlights on. Stop everybody else coming.
Fuck you!
We playing red light, green light.
Red light!
You kid.
Red light!
You kid.
Red light!
Wow.
Block file.
Oh, that stupid idiot. Did you see what he did there?
Straight through the red, you fucking retard.
Running the red!
Fuck's sake.
Music panel members get more. River949.com. Harvey Norman Computers Prevail for your local tech needs.
Australia produces plenty of food, but we waste a lot too. In fact, up to 25% of the food we produce goes to waste. 20% of Australians experienced hunger at some time last year. We're second.
From the printout.
There's a new choice this Christmas. Santa Radio. Santa Radio.
Hey.
The Christmas spirit. Non-stop Christmas hits and non-stop Christmas hits and festive feels.
This is Bernard from Powderfinger. Hey, this is John Bon
Jovi. Today is Joey Barnes here.
Merry Christmas and all the best for next year.
I want to wish everybody a happy holiday season. And I'd like to wish everybody a really great Christmas and a happy New Year.
This is Santa.
I wish everybody a really great Christmas and a happy New Year.
This is Santa Radio.
Now playing on the Listener app. Download it and listen for free.
Okay, darling.
Fuck off. Nice. Nice.
You know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Creates, oh my god, there's going to be an argument here, ahead of me. Car driving up fog line, trying to overtake a truck which is a wide load. Never seen anything so stupid in all my life. So it may be worthwhile, but it'll get you access to people up there that you wouldn't normally get access to. Whether it's
£1 million stadium, we've seen the financial results, 700 million quid in debt. It's going to be about 700 million pounds, that can there, isn't it?
There's a can of the Square Ball beer as brewed by the North Brewing Company. Excellent value, whatever the price. Idiot. You get a big can as well, it's not a little Coke can.
You get more in it, more in it.
So it's
Ahmad Diallo, the sniper Mataman.
Glazed out. They've not invested in this team. They've only spent £20 million on a striker to play for their reserve.
And well done to the women as well, who've won the 2 cup rounds. We mentioned, I think, some weeks ago they were due to play. They were forced to go to Hartlepool in the FA Cup, having beaten someone else from a crap northeast town.
And they've got a...
Straight through a red light. Shit. Jesus.
See he passing?
Ooh. Fucking
Jesus.
moron.
Fucking idiot! A nice one, you good?